Swami Dayanand's teaching propagated the advaitic principles as per more reaching on the social and the political form apart from the philosophical aspect. Rabindranath Tagore commented about Swami Vivekananda and his teaching. If you want to know India, study Vivekananda. In him, everyone is positive and nothing negative. Vivekananda realized a contrary the emerging compassion through transform into a strong determination to keep others who are unaware of the oneness of the true mark of the enlightened person are the keynote of philosophy of Vivekananda that can be represented as follows. Now, Swami Vivekananda says, all the power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Believe in that. Do not believe that you are weak. You are strong. Stand up and express the divinity within you. So the main thing is he has given more stress on the education. According to Vivekananda, education was not only collection of information but something more meaningful. He felt education should be man-making, life-giving and character-building. तो ये एजुकेशन जो है सिर्फ टू गेट इंफॉर्मेशन टू गेट नॉलेज नो इट इज़ फॉर मेकिंग द मैन इट इज़ फॉर enlightenment it is for exploring the man within the individual. So he believes in positive education. Education should be positive. There should be no negative thoughts in education. He also said religion. He was a follower of Vedanta. So he believes in God. So he believes in Vedas. So he said that according to him, the important teaching he received from Ramakrishna was that Liva is Shiva. Each individual is divinity itself. कहता हर एक आदमी जो रहता है वो हर एक आदमी जो शिवा है उसके अंदर ही स्पिरिचुअलिटी उसके अंदर ही डिवाइनिटी है. According to him, man is potentially divine as service and man to indeed सर्विस टू गॉड. अगर आप किसी मैन की सर्विस करते हो तो एक्चुअली यू आर सर्विंग द गॉड. विवेकानंद टोल्ड वी मस्ट नॉट ओनली टॉलरेट अदर रिलीजन बट पॉजिटिवली embrace them and that the truth is the basis of our religion. तो जो सच्चाई है वो ही our religion के basis है. To don't hate any religion, be secular, try to think positively about each and every religion. So he was also for national integration. According to Swami Vivekananda, it is will, it is for integration that is the power. Integration है करनी चाहिए. National integration should be there. Because there is lot of diversity in India, then all diversity should be integrated into the whole. Human mind. He talked about the human mind also. Swami suggested not to do anything which disturbs the mind or make it restless. अगर कोई चीज़ ऐसा ना करो जिससे आपका माइंड जो है डिस्टर्ब होता है, या क्या होता है उसमें आपका माइंड जो या डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है, या आपका जो माइंड है उसमें रेस्टलेस आ जाती है, वो ही फील रेस्टलेस. तो डोंट डू एनीथिंग. इफ योर mind becomes disturbed. He also talked about the women development. He said the women are not than men, then they should also get the same type of education. The idea of womanhood on India is method of to accomplish by staffing or forgetting mother. He felt two evils in the India, that is the tempering on the women and grinding the poor through cause. दो चीज़ हमारी हैं कहते, एक to hate the women, to think the women are downtrodden, and secondly is casteism. I mean say to the lower caste. So he says character building is very important. Absence of jealousy and suspicion. हमारे अंदर ना jealousy हो, ना suspicion हो, helping all who are trying to be and do good to them. Conviction of the powers of goodness. The main principle of Vivekananda philosophy is God resides in every human being. Realize it. The best workshop of God is service to mankind. Ethics and morality should be the real basis of life. Love and renunciation should permeate the universe. Religion means self-realization, self-reflection through self-control. So he has given such thing that education should be positive education. He should say that we should develop the character, we should develop the human mind, we should respect the women, we should tolerate the other low caste people, and we must believe in positive education. He said that every religion is based on truth. So you must love the truth. If the religions are based on truth, then love all the religions. So this is the main his philosophy of Swami Vivekananda.